Hi, this is Rob Krieger from the Red Rock Golf Center down here in Mesquite, Nevada at the Oasis Golf Club, and we want to do a bunker lesson. I want to show you how to get out of bunkers and a good way to practice that can help you whether you're having some difficulties or not. And also, there is a big difference between trying to hit a regular greenside bunker and a fairway bunker shot. So the first thing you're going to need is either a 60-degree wedge or a 56-degree sand wedge. Why? Because they have a lot of loft and they generally have something what we call bounce. If you can see where the silver is and where the copper ends, this means that the leading edge is lower than the trailing edge, which is back here, and that's what we call bounce. This one has about 11 degrees. So a good way to practice trying to get out of the bunker, there are two ways. One of the ways I like to do it is I like to have my students draw a line directly behind the golf ball, about 6 inches, and draw another line right here, so that that golf ball sets right in the middle of it. And then what I want to do is I'm going to take this golf club back and I want to make a swatch of sand go from here to there and clear that. That way I'm catching just about that much sand and that golf ball is going to slide right underneath it. Now, because I have a lot of sand here, I need to be able to hit a little bit behind it. What happens at a lot of golf courses though, you don't always know how much sand you have. But what you're going to need to do is, if I wind up having less sand, I'm going to have to hit this golf ball a little bit closer to it and make sure that I still catch a little bit of sand before. One of the other important mistakes that people make is as they go to hit this, they want to get their hands up and they try to flip their hands underneath it, and when they do this they wind up either hitting behind it or catching too much sand. What you want to be able to do is just when you set up, you want to make sure that your hands aren't ahead of the golf ball, but they're somewhere behind it. So when you go to hit this golf shot, get yourself in position, and then as you take your stroke, you're going to swing and you're going to want to try to catch a little bit of sand. The golf ball will get hit the club face a little bit in between that layer of sand and then exit somewhere around that path, and it should do something like this. Okay? The other way you can practice is like this. A lot of times you get range baskets. So take the ball and put that basket right around it, make a circle, and do the exact same thing where all you're trying to do is try to hit that golf ball from that circle of the range basket. Same thing holds true where you want that club to enter a little bit behind it and exit there. As you go to hit it, you make that circle disappear. Next thing, if I have to have a golf shot that is going to be close, where I don't have a lot of sand, do the same thing. Put your golf ball in the middle, put your basket in there, and instead of hitting way back here, I'm going to hit there and I'm going to have more of a click. That's how you hit a fairway bunker shot. When you're out there in the fairway, the main thing is you want to make sure you get up over the lip, take enough club. Sometimes it's a sand wedge, sometimes it's a 7-iron, sometimes it's a hybrid. But the rule of thumb is in a fairway is always, always, always take enough loft to get up over your bunker. You're not always going to get to the green. If you are going to go for the green, you can get there. Usually take at least 1, if not 2 or 3 clubs more. Just make sure you always have enough loft. And as you hit this golf shot, you're actually going to hit your golf ball first and then take your swatch of sand in front of it. So that's what you do for fairway bunkers, and that's what you do for greenside bunkers. This is Rob Krieger from the Red Rock Golf Center here down in Mesquite, Nevada at Oasis Golf Club. I hope that helps your game. As always, fairways and greens.